Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today we are going to learn how to uninstall Google Drive from our laptop or PC. So as you can see that I have previously installed Google Drive and there is an icon in my desktop. I want to uninstall Google Drive from my laptop right now. So I will go to this PC or my computer and go to in the left side corner. There is something called computer. Click on computer. Then you will find something which is called uninstall or change a program. Click on uninstall. Then we need to find Google Drive. So here there is that is Google Drive. I need to uninstall it. So click on uninstall, click on yes, click on uninstall, and with a very few steps you can easily uninstall your Google Drive. Click on close. So now you can see there is no Google Drive icon in my desktop. So within a very few steps, you can easily uninstall Google Drive from your computer or laptop. So if you do like this video, please comment down what kind of video do you like from us. Um, do share this video with your friends and family so that they can take help from this video. Have a good day. Thank you.